Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can reach first checkpoint. So where you spawn right here, it is the first scene of the game, the start of the game. And if you die, you will spawn right here where we started. Right here you can bypass all those enemies. It doesn't matter, but you can kill them if you want to farm some shell cards. And right here, if you jump it and go right here, ignore all those enemies. You don't need to fight them right now. Right here, as we go, you will see that we cross to this location. Here you will get some vibrations like earthquake feel. Here you can look down and you will see the fried rosary string, but we don't need that right now. Just jump right here, and you'll see that if you go right here, you will need to bait them, and you will need to cross right here, jump like this, and this guy is following us, but it doesn't matter right now. Just go right here, and if you follow right down here, you'll be able to start again from the other. And here is the first checkpoint, ruined chapel. That's how you reach your first checkpoint. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Here you'll need to find the boss, and here you will see the checkpoint. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.